Today's deal of the day will be on the NZDUSD. As we can see right here on the daily chart, the market has indeed reversed from that level of a strong key support level at the bracket of 0.60770, which indicates that the NZDUSD will continue the rise. Also, if we look at the daily chart right now, we can notice clearly that we are having here a broken level of a resistance trend line. So right here there was a resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3 and 4, then finally the bullish breakout from that level, and finally the retest of that resistance trend line and the creation of a new support trend line, which means that this was of course the reversal point, and that means that the NZDUSD is actually going to continue the rise till it reach the highest level of a resistance right here as 0.62785. Now, let's zoom into the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, what we can do right now, after confirming that this pair is going to continue the rise, most likely what we can do right now is simply draw the support trend line just like that, and then drag the same trend line. And by the way, that is what we call the magic of trend lines. I have explained this on many videos on my channel, mainly one video, or actually 2 videos, called the magic of trend lines. Please proceed to watch these videos, guys, to understand what I'm doing right now. So anyway, speaking about the signal right now, as you can see, what I did right now is simply move the same line which I have drawn here and just place it right there at the next strong key support trend line. And as you can see, it was also a resistance trend line in the past, then it became a strong a strong attempt of a key support, of the trend line number 1, number 2, and finally number 3. Then it became here a small attempt of a resistance trend line, and of course it couldn't hold the position since the market is actually rising. It's moving now in upper trend, and that being said, the market couldn't of course hold the position for a long time as a support, as a resistance trend line, and therefore it actually made a bullish breakout from that level. And recently we had here another fake breakout from that level as a support trend line. Now that means that the market will most likely now gonna continue the fall and respects the same level of the support trend line. Therefore, if we look also at the horizontal level, we can see clearly that we had right here a strong key support level as well. Then 0.61851 will be actually our level to start buying this pair, hoping for the market to actually respect that level as a previous strong key support level plus a strong key support resistance, a key support trend line level. And of course, if we do that, our take profit level will be placed at least right here till the market reach the nearest strong key resistance level as 0.62896, which means our take profit level will be approximately 104 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the stop loss is going to be placed just right there below the level of a support for about 57 pips. Let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the deal of the day. Again, my friends, be careful and wise. Just because this signal coming from Xtreme Trader, it doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. It actually might goes in loss. And for that, I highly encourage everyone to join our free group on Telegram to receive the updates about this signal. Here is an example which I have sent recently about one of the signals which have failed. The pound CAD, as you can see here, I have mentioned to everyone here that highly recommended to close it now in break even. The price action promising for a growth at the moment, and that is indeed what happened. Those who did not listen to me and did not join this group, they unfortunately have lost this trade, and this trade it already hit the stop loss. Meanwhile, those who actually followed me on this group, they have thankfully avoided this loss and closed this trade in a break even. So again, joining this group, guys, is for your benefit. Don't ever trade by yourself. Always join a trading team, and I highly recommend to you to join Xtreme Trader team. This is actually the only way to reach me directly. We can actually communicate here, where actually I can update you about any signal I'm sending on YouTube, regardless if it was the weekly signal or the midweek analysis, Friday analysis, deal of the day. I will notify everyone here about these signals on this group to let them know what they should do about it. So until then, guys, trade wisely and be careful, and hopefully it's gonna be a good week for everyone. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.